In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a FreshBooks account. So let's get started. So here we are in freshbooks.com, and from here what we're going to do first is that we're going to click here on try it for free right here on the right side. Once you do that, you will now be prompted in here. So now you would need to provide your email and password and then click on try it for free. And you want to make sure that you have also ticked this box that I confirm I have read and agreed to the FreshBooks terms of service and privacy policy. You could also go with your Google or Apple account for an easier process. So I'm just going to go with my Google account. And now, once you're done, you will now be prompted in here wherein you would need to provide your personal details like your first name, last name, and where you're located. So I'm going to go for this one right here. And then the phone number, I'm gonna go for the phone number in here and click on next once you are done. And next is that you would need to provide your company name. So in my case, that would be this one right here, and then other details right here. And once you're done, click on save and finish. And then after that, you will now be prompted into your dashboard. And by default, you will now have 30 days free trial on your account. And you would see the welcome to FreshBooks right here and click on continue. And now you can start exploring FreshBooks right here with your 30 days free trial. You can go for the clients, estimate invoices, payroll, and many more. So yeah, this is basically it for the tutorial on how you can create your FreshBooks account with a 30-day free trial. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.